Hey, I'm David. I'm a live sound engineer and head of product at Sonect. I know we've kept you on the edge of your seats for a few weeks now, but I can assure you the wait will be absolutely worth it. Now, the product I'm about to reveal to you is something quite different to our other product, the SoundWire. In fact, if you stick with me, you'll see why I'm so excited about it. Right, I'm sure most of us would have been in this situation. Whether you mix up from a house, or you do system engineering, or you are in charge of audio at an award ceremony, you would have found yourself needing to play music from your laptop to a sound console. And this might just be something as easy as walking music between doors and the first act on, or a more mission-critical sound effect at a theater show, or perhaps just an intro track for the band walking on stage. And there are various ways to do this. Very simple task. The proper way is to connect your laptop to a sound interface, typically with a USB cable, then use an XLR for the left output and another one for the right output into your mixing console. If your sound card has TRS outputs, which most of them do, then you will need another 2 adapters, right? Another way you can do this is using a 3.5mm jack to dual XLR cable, which you can plug to the headphones port of your laptop, which, as the name suggests, is for headphones and isn't really designed for a line output. But we've all done this for decades now and nobody died. I mean, no person died, but some other things died. You see, the standard configuration of this cable has it that the sleeve of the mini jack is connected to pins 1 and 3 of the left and right XLR, while the tip of the mini jack is connected to pin 2 of the left XLR, and the ring of the jack is connected to pin 2 of the right XLR. This is all kind of cool, and everybody's gonna groove to Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley, until somebody someday inadvertently fires Phantom on those 2 input channels, effectively sending 40 volts down the tip and the ring of the tiny headphone port of your laptop, resulting in a catastrophic and irreversible damage to your laptop's internal sound card. I mean, in almost 15 years of doing live sound, I've always made it a rule never to put Phantom on those channels. But you know how it goes with quick changeovers. And as a result, I've fried 3 MacBook Pros, and one of which wasn't mine, and I've never told the guy. Anyway, the first time I was like, I screwed up. The second time, I was like, surely there must be a way to prevent this from happening again. I know you're probably thinking, just use DIs. Yeah, sure, but DIs are bulky and heavy and huge. I mean, I'm not playing keyboard, I just want to play music. But yeah, sure, let's add the DIs. So in this not so proper configuration, we've got the laptop, a mini jack cable, 2 DIs, 2 XLRs going into the soundboard. But what if there was a way to streamline and eliminate all these unnecessary bits and just have one straight line, allowing you not only to get uncompromised audio quality with no interferences, but also protect your playback device from technical mishaps and look super sleek? What I'm about to show you is something which I believe is going to revolutionize the way that we achieve such simple tasks, which should have been easy right from the start. Today, we are introducing the SoundWire, a USB-C audio interface which is miniaturized into a cable with exactly the connections you need and no need for any additional boxes, cables, and adapters. The USB-C plug has hidden inside a miniaturized DAC circuitry which delivers 192 kHz at 32-bit depth audio stream. At the other end are gold-plated Nortric XLRs, but that's not all. Inside the XLRs, we've concealed custom-designed audio transformers which not only balance the signal, so you don't need DI boxes, but also protect your device and the SoundWire from accidentally activated phantom power. The SoundWire works with any laptop, smartphone, and tablet with a USB-C port on them. And if your laptop doesn't have a USB-C port, we've made a super sleek Type A adapter which snugly fits around the USB-C connector, making it robust and super tiny. You won't need any drivers for this to work. Simply plug the SoundWire in and you're good to go. Oh, and when you're finished, we've equipped the SoundWire with a first of its kind cable tie cord, which is reusable and permanently attached to the Y split of the cable. We've also designed a pretty cool looking carry pouch, which helps you keeping your gig bag or Pelican case very organized and free from tangles. After almost 3 years into the making, I am today so excited to introduce this to the sound engineering community. You can pre-order yours today on sonect.com or from our dealers, with shipping beginning on November 27th. See you on stage.